So we're back on track for education this year, guys, finally. We sold out our Pop-Up Academy in South Dakota in record time. I'm trying to think of where we should go next. Do you guys have any suggestions?
I think we should definitely revisit where we first launched the Pop-Up Academy, our hometown, Chicago, Illinois.
Good, yeah. Then it's settled. November 16th, 2020, Jacob's Barbershop, right here in Chicago.
Sounds good. But where should they sign up at?
We'll make it real simple. They can visit wahlpro.com. The Wahl Pop Up Academy is a 6-hour hands-on training that comes with 2 mannequin heads with a 5-star mentor with 4 detachable blades, the cordless detailer Ally, and Wahl 1919 product. We're ready to get our education back on track. So there you have it, Windy City, Chicago, November 16th, 2020. We're coming back to our hometown. So sign up, Illinois cosmetologists, make sure you come out and earn 6 CE hours with us. We'll see you there.